Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 9, Ledger and Posting of Standard 11 Commerce subject Account. So this is the fourth part of the chapter 9 and first to three part is linked. In our last two video we have seen the process of posting from journal. Today we are going to see posting from the subsidiary book. In that very first we are going to see posting from the subsidiary books for goods, and here is the sum number 3. Let's see illustration number 3. From the following transaction, prepare sales book of Sri Anup and post them in Ledger. So here we have already prepared sales book of Sri Anup. Now let's prepare the sales book first, and then we are going to make the posting in a ledger. So here on 1st May 2016, goods of rupees 25,000 are sold to Ankura at 10% trade discount. So here on 2016 May 1st, Ankura account and goods of rupees 25,000 and sold at 10% discount, trade discount. So that will be 22,500. Now let's see the next transaction. That is on 4th May 2016, goods of rupees 6,600 are sold to Jigar with 25% profit on their on. So now let's see on 4th date, and here we have to find out the profit, and the amount is a 6,600, and we are going to add the profit of 25%. So total amount will be, after adding the profit of 25%, the total amount will be 8,250. And here we are going to write down Jigar's account, and amount will be 8,250. Now let's see the next transaction. That is on 6th May 2016, goods of rupees 7,500 are sold to here at cost price. So here on date number 6, here's account, and it will be on cost price, and cost price is the 7,500. So here we are going to write down 7,500. Here our sales book is finished. Let's make the total of the sales book. So that will be total of 22,500, 8,250 and 7,500. It will be 38,250. Here we are going to write down total credit sales. So this is our sales book is finished. Now we are going to post the same in the ledger. So for that we have to prepare how many accounts. So very first account will be our sales account. So very first account we are going to prepare, that is the sales account. Then the second account we will prepare Ankura account. Third account will be Jigar account, and fourth account will be here's account, that we already prepared here. And now let's make the posting of that. So here, as we know, sales supposed to be on the credit side of sales book. We are going to write down total amount of sales. That on here the last date we have to write in a sales book. So that is a 2016 May 6, and it will be, we supposed to write by sundry debtors account. And total amount will be 38,250. Here we can write down that the total of sales book. Total as per sales book. For that. Now, on the debit side of Ankura account, we are going to write down on date number 2016, May 1st. We will write to sales account, and the amount will be for the Ankura account, and that is a 22,500 that we are going to write down, and here we will write as per sales book. So for that, again on the debit side of Jigar account, we are going to write down 2016 May, and date number is a 4. Here we will write to sales account as per sales book. And the amount will be 8,250, and we are going to write down on the debit side of ER account 2016 May 6 to sales account as per sales book. And the amount will be 7,500. So this is how we are supposed to prepare ledger from the subsidiary of goods. Student, you may note down this. Then thank you for watching this video.